Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you all how I moisturize my luscious locks. It's definitely time for my hair to be re-moisturized and cared for. I've been super busy like this past week to the point where I'm like, I am not sticking to my own moisturization routine. That's not like me. I really try to listen to my hair and make sure like I'm not over moisturizing or anything. I let my hair naturally just dry out, do its thing. Just like a plant, you know what I'm saying? You don't overwater your plants. So don't over moisturize your hair. Don't like put too much oils in your scalp. When you put so many oils on your scalp or thick type of creams, anything, you are literally clogging the pores in your scalp, which will probably cause your hair not to grow as fast. Also, you might experience a lot of buildup. That's just not what we want here. We want healthy hair, and this goes for all hair, honestly, not just locks. But normally during like the days that I know I want to moisturize my hair, I will hop in the shower without a bonnet just so the steam can really open up the cuticles in my hair. I know when I was a loose natural, I would always wear a bonnet in the shower. I don't care what style it was. It could have been a protective style. I was still wearing a bonnet. I feel as though like that's like something we're missing out on. Like you literally have steam that can help open up your cuticles of your hair. That helps to prep your hair for getting the hydration that it needs. I just want to show you guys the products that I'm using today. The first thing that I'm going to use is my water, aloe, and I put a little bit of oil in here. So that's what I'm using to hydrate my hair, because oil does not hydrate your hair, people. Oil seals in the hydration. It helps hold that hydration in. I'm gonna be using my crown elixir. Y'all, it is so cute. I'm so happy that like the labels and everything came out exactly how I wanted. But yeah, I'm using my own hair oil, and you can purchase it on my website. I will be restocking in like, well, I don't know when you guys are gonna see this video, but just check my website. I may or may not be in stock by the time you see it, because everybody's literally trying to purchase it. But click the link in the description box, and I have a little secret YouTube coupon code for y'all. So the first thing I do is section off my hair, and I make sure I mist my hair first. You cannot moisturize your hair unless you add hydration. And I make sure to spray my roots, get the length of my hair, and especially my ends, since I do have like my curly ends out. And I use the prayer hands method to just like smooth all that water into my hair. And then I grab my crown elixir and I put the oil directly onto my scalp. From there, I just make sure to massage that oil in. I use the pads of my fingertips and I give myself a nice massage. I work it in, you guys. I know y'all see that shine. I know y'all see it. Don't fake. Don't fake on your girl. Now I'm going to section off the front of my hair, and I'm going to just do 2 half sections. And from there, I'm just going to repeat the exact same method. Y'all, look how dry my locks look. We gonna get her together. When adding oil to my scalp, I really focus on any parts of my hair that are like drier than the rest. And I also, you know, squeeze them into my hand, and I squeeze that into the length of my hair. And I also apply the oil directly to my edges, because those are like trouble spots for a lot of people, because, you know, we pull on our hair, it's a little bit of tension. So I want to make sure that those spots are not like thinning out or breaking off, because child, nobody wants to lose any locks, okay? Next, I'm going to brush my hair. I have this small little brush. It's kind of like a soft bristle. I may have to get a hard bristle brush soon. Not anything like too abrasive, but I like to do this just to brush out any lint or just any little fuzzies in my hair, any dust. When you have lint in your hair can dry out. Also, like, just brushing in the product into my my edges. Throughout the week, I will spritz my hair with rosewater and aloe. I probably won't need to use any more oil, but if you feel as though your hair needs a little bit more oil, give it some oil. But if you're able to squeeze your hand one time and you see your hands look like this, you do not need any more oil. Your hair is moisturized, it is fine. But if your hair is like dry, you don't see any oil on your hands, then go ahead, moisturize your hair as needed. I'm gonna show you guys a side-by-side comparison of my dry hair versus my moisturized hair. Hopefully this helped you keep your locks moisturized. If you have any questions, want any more videos, let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for always watching and supporting me. You guys are the best. I love you. Have a beautiful freaking day. Okay? Bye!
You say you love me for me.